retouch, and it was what prompted me to start this channel. But something really happened like early this year. Many AI software came out, and then they were doing my job. Not technically everything, but to a good extent, they were doing my job, and I had to stop full-time retouching. Yeah, I still retouch pictures. I still do that a lot, but it is not my full-time job again, right? I return to photography proper, and then I start teaching. Okay, teaching on other things, which is not retouching. So I'm making this video to let you guys know that I will not be making retouching tutorial again on this channel. There are many AI software right now, and I made a lot of it. I made video on a lot of it. If you go down my channel, you see them, where we can use AI to pretty much perform a lot of things. Many of our jobs now, AI, as it's not taking over. And then, do we fight it or we embrace it? Personally, I feel we should embrace it. Okay, so this channel, no more retouching tutorial. So this channel, I want to focus on teaching. I've always been a teacher in my church, in speaking in engagements. I i i do that I do that professionally. Okay, so on this channel, I'm starting full-time teaching, and then I teach about psychology, personal development, Bible, scriptures, and so on and so forth. All right, so that would not be photography tutorial. Yes, I'm still a photographer. I still edit, but I'm no longer doing that on this YouTube channel. For everyone that is always catching up with Kunle Capture, thank you so much. I'm still Kunle Capture, by the way, just that no longer Kunle Capture the retouching tutorial creator and so on. That has ended. Okay, so for my Instagram, for my Telegram channel, I'm going to be shutting it down, as well as my WhatsApp. I have a great community there, and I really appreciate you guys for sticking around up to this time. I'm going to be dissolving it, as well as my WhatsApp. I will have a new community where I am looking forward to raise people, where I do self-development and help people grow to navigate life, much more thoroughly. So that's what I'll be doing now. I was even thinking I should maybe just start it on a new channel, but what's the point? I've come this far to build this channel to this point, and me having to start another one, it's a whole lot of work. So I just want to proceed so that I'll follow the strategy. I'll maintain the momentum. Okay, so thank you everyone that always stick around to my videos and everything. I really appreciate you, and stick around for teachings on self-development, on scriptures, Bible studies, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you on my first video on the Bible study. I think that should be the first one. Yeah, thank you.